In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Boom Hunter Pro Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's get straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for now. We just need a chart where we can add the indicator. On your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will usually be near the top toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main indicator window where you can find and add any tools you need. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is the easiest way to locate specific indicators quickly, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search field so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type Boom Hunter Pro, exactly as it's spelled. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. You should see Boom Hunter Pro appear in the list below the search bar. If you see more than one similar name, look for the one that clearly says Boom Hunter Pro as the main title. Once you've located it, click on Boom Hunter Pro to add it to your chart. In just a moment, you'll see new lines, signals, or visual elements appear over your price candles. That confirms the indicator has been successfully added. Next, we want to adjust it so it fits your trading style. Move your mouse over the chart where the indicator name is displayed, usually at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings for Boom Hunter Pro. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can customize things like colors, line styles, and various input values the strategy uses. Take a moment to read through each option so you understand what you're changing. If you're just getting started, it's often best to keep the default values and only adjust the visual style so it's easy for you to read on your chart. Finally, if the creator of this guide has provided a special sign-up link in the video description, use that link to sign up or get access to Boom Hunter Pro as recommended. Once you've done that and followed the steps we just covered, you're all set and ready to start using Boom Hunter Pro inside your TradingView Pro workspace.